Oh, you know what's up. I'm your biggest fan. Wow. I'm digging the pink hair, you know the all meat I need, how you kill everybody. What are you doing with that axe? And why is there blood on your face? No, get away. Stop. Stay away from me. No. Get out! So what do you think about that new You Could Actually Know Me chapter? That's pretty good. So what do you think about it?